Okay, what do we got today, Ty?
A Chinese heater.
Ordered it off of Amazon. We're gonna see what this will do.
Yeah, Tom, there's the knife. Go ahead and dissect. Now, kids, we're excited for this.
Alright, let's see what we got here. A bag of, I guess that's an air filter.
Oh, yeah, the air filter.
That's the air filter. What else we got?
We got 2 tubes.
Oh, look, instructions.
You're gonna need those.
Oh, damn it, where'd they go?
Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, behind the table.
Oh, alright, let's pull this out and see what we got here.
Oh. 2 tubes. 3 tubes. 3 tubes.
Okay, it's got some kind of a control panel. Hey, it's got a key fob.
Key fob.
Key fob. Hey, there's another tube.
Oh, where did that come from?
I don't know.
Okay, well,
So it's got a remote control or something. So,
this must have been on under the bottom somehow.
probably. Ooh, look at that key fob. Fancy.
Fancy smancy.
Alright, we got some diesel. We got. Alright, I guess I better find the instructions.
I know, you could get to it easier on that side.
Oh, is it
Yeah.
behind that table?
Yeah, behind that table.
Okay. Alright.
You actually got
Oh, it did come with some wiring.
not a ton, but
Okay. Safety.
oh, actually, there is quite a bit.
Okay. So it looks like, according to this,
We got that much.
okay. Yeah, the battery's over there, so we can. Huh. Looks like all we gotta do is add 12 volt and some diesel and fire it up. Well, we gotta route the exhaust pipe and all that, but we just wanna see if it works.
Okay, if that's the case, then we just need to prop it up on something on these 2 legs,
Mm-hmm.
and then that should be fine. No.
No, that's plastic. Alright. Well, we'll be back in a minute when we try and figure this out. Alright, Tyson's gonna strip the wire so we can hook some 12 volt to it. And we'll put some diesel in it and see what happens.
I'm kind of excited.
Me too. I think it'll be cool.
No more than what we got.
Just 4?
Just 4.
tight.
Yes, we are.
How did I do with the key fob? Did I lose it already?
No. Put it right here.
Oh, hey. I thought for sure I'd probably lost it already. On.
No, gas.
Well, I just want.
Oh.
I wanted to see if it was going to power on.
Oh.
I'm sure you know these quality Chinese batteries are really good. Oh
Oh.
no, is that the heater?
No. That's this.
Oh, good turn on. Can't read it worth a crap, but. Okay, all of a sudden it kicked on and it started. Sounds like it's burning something.
It's kicking out heat out the bottom.
So that's probably the diesel motor or diesel heater. They're supposed to put it out those tubes.
It is.
Is it? Is it hot or warm?
It's
Oh, there it goes. It's ramping up.
Bill.
Oh yeah. Starting to burn. Oh yeah, it's kicking up.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap. That thing's putting out a ton of heat.
Oh yeah.
So it's one sucking air in and the other is exhaust?
Yep.
Okay. Holy. This thing's actually pretty cool.
And then I think, how many two of those big ones?
Oh, these are so you can direct the heat wherever you want it to go.
Oh yeah. Yep.
So you can put like, you can vent it into other places. And this is, because that one bag is full of plants. Getting warmer?
Oh yeah. Yeah, feel that too.
Oh yeah. That's putting out warmer air than my furnace in my kit.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
actually pretty cool.
Yeah, but I see smoke.
Well, because we got the exhaust blowing in here.
Oh.
We don't have the exhaust piped out in the building right now. So we probably should shut it down and get it set up properly before we die of carbon
Yeah,
monoxide.
do it.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
see?
Yeah, we're gonna shut this off and we'll set it up properly
Oh
and
my
we'll come back. Do you want them? That's alright, I'll stay.
I can't. Seriously, can't get no.
So we can aim a couple up the floor. Ready?
Yeah.
Get the mode out. And on. I heard it click.
I
See how long it takes to fire up. Usually it takes a couple minutes.
just get all this out of our.
Walking path.
Right now, the only thing I can see is if the wind blows the
exhaust right
the
back
exhaust back in, but
For now, we gotta go find some metal flashing. Which we're in a ghost town, there's probably plenty of metal. On the gas, so that'll work. We'll put it on the sawmill. Give it a spot to cool off. Okay, this thing is crazy, people. I don't know, what do you think, Jeff? Worth 123 bucks?
dude, I had to pay $250 for it. This is awesome.
Alright, there's a kind of little review. We'll put links in where you can buy it on Amazon and eBay. Because I believe we got these off of eBay,
I believe so.
but I know they do have them on Amazon.
Yes.
So either way, you can look it up there. But this is a 10 by 16 little shop that we have up here on the off-grid property. No power, no nothing. You can see power lines, but that's because it's running off that inverter right there and a windmill. So I think it's going to keep this shop nice and toasty all year. You agree?
Uh-huh.
Alright, we'll see you on the next one.
Might even sleep in here tonight.
Oh, hey, like this video and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.